Welcome, here I've got Meizu 16th and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and it opened us the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the second option here, tilt indicator. This is our leveler here. To turn it on we have to just simply tap on this button like that, and also by tapping on this again we can easily turn it off. So this is how it works. For now let me keep this turned on, and let's go back to the camera preview to show you how it works. And as you can see, this indicator here is a little bit hidden because this is not as usual in the smartphones here. This is here. So when we use this like that, we can see it. So this is helpful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture, and this is how it works here, as you can see. And of course, when we don't need it, we can easily turn it off by going again to the settings in the right corner, tapping on this button, and as you can see for now, this disappears. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.